Good evening, everyone. Myself, Mansi Gangurde, and my group members are Gayatri, Sakshi, and Swati. We are here to present a small seminar on smart agriculture using IoT from KBT College of Engineering. Next slide. So, these are the contents. Let's see in deep. Next slide. So first of all, with the deal with the agriculture, we have to understand what is meant by IoT. In a simple word, IoT is a networking of physical objects that contain electronic embedded within their architecture in order to communicate and sense intersections and amongst the interaction each other. IoT devices track information in real time and reals with the help of to make our life after safer and safe to the more efficient way. Why IoT? Why IoT? If we have computer that knew everything like a human mind, there was a know about every installation and using data they gathered without any help from us. We couldn't able to track the count everything and greatly reduce waste, waste or cost. IoT based farming improves the entire agriculture system by monitoring the field of real system. With the help of sensors, the interconnectivity, the IoT is agriculture that have the only save the time and farmers, but also the reduce the extravagance and arm work. Next slide. So, introduction to our project, agriculture using IoT. In today's world, India ranks second in the world farm output 64% of the cultivation. As we all know that computer science cannot be measured in terms of development and progress. It shows that how far the human mind can work and relax their work into the agriculture. Agriculture is the practice of the cultivation plants, livestock and farming. It is a development and conserve water by using soil moisture sensor. There are more efficient vertical and urban farming. There will be the efforts and long lasting new areas. Production of the agriculture and irrigation. So now next part will be explained by my friend Swati.
Next slide, please. My topic is motivation. One of the important application of an IoT is smart agriculture. Smart agriculture reduces the wastage of water, fertilizers, and increases the crop yield. Here, the system is proposed to monitor the crop field using the sensor for soil moisture, humidity, and temperature. Next slide. Manual this crucial agricultural this solves different agricultural steps to complete day, and there will be activity since we are humans have been I can develop real time since since we have automated the data collection, the data integrity is assured, and since the data is data processing is done using computer. It's IoT.
Next slide. Related work. This project utilizes 5 sensors which measure 6 different environmental factors that crops growth and nourishment depends on. First, temperature and humidity sensor that measures moisturizer and the air temperature humidity. This is the ratio of actual moisturizer in air to the highest amount moisture that can be held at the area of temperature. Second, air quality or gas sensor That device monitors the presence of air pollution in the surrounding area. They can be used for both indoor and outdoor environments. Third, light sensor. They converts light energy to the electrical signal outputs. Light sensors have several used in industrial and everyday customer applications. Fourth, soil moisturizer sensor. It works on principle of electrical conductivity resistance of the sensors in inversely proportional to the moisture contains in the soil. Moisture contains of the soil is a major factor determining plant growth. Fifth, barometric pressure sensor. It is known that heavy shower can be expected when the atmospheric pressure is low and rainfall is less likely to the occurs when pressure is high. Next slide. Literature survey. The scenario of decreasing water tablets, drying up of rivers and tanks, unpredictable environments presents an urgent needed to the proper utilize of water. To crop over with this use the temperature and moisture sensor at suitable in the location for monitoring of crops is implicated. It reviews the growing demands of food in terms of quality and quantity, has increased the need of industrialization and intensification in the agriculture field. IoT is highly promising technology that is offering many innovative solutions to modernize the agriculture. If it focuses on IoT, which provides efficient and reliable solution towards the modernize of several domains. IoT based solutions are being developed to automatically maintain and monitor agriculture farms with minimal humans. Next slide will explain by my friend Sakshi.
How to operate the smart agriculture monitoring system. With hardware setup, insert a valid SIM card that has a working mobile data plan. Upload a program code using USB cable with the correct APN and right API key. Once the program is uploaded, remove the USB. Now turn on the circuit using 9 volt to 12 volt. Then the circuit will boot and it tells you to wait for 1 minute. Meanwhile, the GSM module is getting ready and latching to mobile network. The MQ135 is also getting ready for operation by heating up the metal body. After 1 minute, the LCD will display all the sensor data. Now you can see the network LED of GSM module is blinking fast, which means your project connected to internet and started to send data to ThinkSpeak. Open your ThinkSpeak account and click on Private View tab. You will see this output of project. Advantages of smart agriculture. One of the benefit of using IoT in agriculture is increasing agility of process. In the condition of extreme weather changes, new capability help agriculture professionals save the crops. Improved quality, product quality, data-driven agriculture helps both grow more and better products. Disadvantages of smart agriculture. Challenges is using smart technology in farming. The cost involved in smart agriculture. There could be wrong analysis of weather condition. Next slide is explained by Mansi.
So So here is a basically sample screenshot we are added in our presentation. This is the demonstration of the project will be help. Goes to the 13th slide, Sakshi. 13th number slide. Yeah. So this is the sample screenshot of the project. As we all see that there is a soil moisture sensor which is helpful to the soil, and there is a water pump which is pulled into the soil. As you all see that, we will see the video at the last exact demonstration of the smart aggregation system. So here is embedded ICLs and sensors which is connected to the each other. There is hydrological sensor also, and temperature barometrical pressure sensor. First of all, as you see soil, there is dry, so water will pump into the it automatically by bulbing up, by it give the message that there will be a dry soil. By next, when water will pumped into the soil until the soil comes in enough moisture, it will sufficiently pull up the water into the water tank by the soil. So this is just explanation. We'll see actual demonstration in the last. So next slide will be explained by my friend Gayatri.
Conclusion. The IoT-based smart farming system for live monitoring of temperature and soil moisture has been proposed using Arduino and cloud computing. The development of smart agriculture will always be a priority, especially given the dynamic of world. Thus, the system has highly efficient and accurate accuracy in fetching the live data of temperature and soil moisture. The IoT-based smart farming system has been proposed via a report will assist farmers in increasing the agriculture yield and take efficient care of food protection. Has the system will always the provides helping hand to farmers to get for getting accurate live feed of environmental temperature and soil moisture with more than 99% accurate result. Next slide. Reference. So this is our reference websites which gives us information to make that project. Next. Thank you so much for the listening project.
Okay, thank you, Sakshi, Gayatri, and Swati. So I will show you a demonstration video. I will present my screen. Stop sharing. Is visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, visible.
Okay, I will play the. So see, there is a water pump which is help. Then there is a soil which is put up in the pump. Then water will be automatically come out when the soil is get dry by the help of the Arduino, which is give the message to the water. So see, there is a water is come automatically by soil get dry. It shows exactly why the process is getting. So this is helped by the soil moisture sensor which is help to get the moisturize. Then it is also use temperature and give the information about the plant. So this is just an sample video we made up demonstration. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Thank you.
Thank you so much.